If I had to start a creative agency today with no clients, no portfolio, and literally no budget, here's exactly what I'd do. And I know this works because when I first started, I had none of those things and still built a 7-figure agency working with major brands. So whether you want to start a video marketing agency or a creative agency or even a social media marketing agency, this is the step-by-step plan to land clients fast and start making money even from scratch. Now stick with me because at the end, I'll show you how to shortcut this entire process with the same system hundreds of creatives are using right now to grow. Okay, so most people starting out say yes to everyone. So they say yes to real estates, restaurants, weddings, e-com stores, any business they can get their hands on. And that's the fastest way to stay broke and invisible. Instead, you should pick one niche. Why? Because when you specialize, clients instantly see you as the go-to expert. So think of it like this. If you're a restaurant owner, who would you hire? The do-everything freelancer or the restaurant growth content specialist? So as an action point, choose one industry or service, whether that's restaurants, fitness gyms, real estate, or coaches, whatever excites you. One niche equals faster traction. Moving into step 2, I do videos or I run ads isn't an offer. It's a commodity. A real offer solves a pain point for a potential customer. So instead of I make real estate videos, your offer is I help realtors sell listings faster with cinematic home tours. Or for restaurants, it could be I help restaurants fill tables with TikTok promo style videos, or whatever it is that you do. We are making it simple, clear, and outcome driven. So as an action point here, I want you to write this sentence. I help niche get result with, and then list your service. That's going to be your one-line pitch for growing your business. It's something that people can understand very clearly and quickly. Now, you're going to really struggle to get work if you can't back it up with some evidence. And this is the big excuse I hear the most. But I don't have any work to show or any results to show. And here's the truth. You don't need permission to build proof. So you've got a couple of options here, right? We spoke about it before on this channel. You can do spec work. So you create a demo project as if a client hired you. You can do a strategic freebie. So maybe you are running ads for a client for free for the first month so that you can get some data to then actually share some real world results. And the goal here is to get 2 or 3 solid examples to prove that you can deliver on the results. So whether websites are your thing, whether it is content creation, handling social media channels, or running paid ads, we just want to build out some proof that you can deliver. And that's going to make the sales so much easier. And simply pop them all into a PDF or a Google Drive folder, one page on a site, it doesn't matter. As long as someone can see them, it just backs up your credibility. So with a niche, offer, and proof, it's now about getting eyeballs, people to notice your business. And this is where most beginners fall down because they hate sales. But no one's going to come to you if they don't know that you even exist. So here's the mindset shift. You're not begging for work, you're offering a solution to a problem. So for instance, rather than messaging someone and saying like, hey Sarah, I'm a videographer, can we work together? I just really like creating videos and I can do something really nice for your business. Put what we've done into practice and actually create a solution to their problem. So, hey Sarah, I'm Ross. I love what you're doing at their business name. I noticed you don't have many videos showing off your space and I'd love to create a free 30-second promo for you just so you can see the results. If you love it, then we can talk more about it. If not, no stress at all. So we're coming across as friendly, specific, and also low risk. And if you're starting a business from zero, it's all about that low risk. More people will say yes, even if it's not the right fit for them now, if there's low risk involved. And remember, we're still trying to channel in that next stage. So after we've done this thing for you, I want to do some paid work. Obviously, they're not the words we're using. So as an action point, I want you to make a list of 20 businesses in your niche and reach out to them with a personalized message, see what sort of replies you get, and then adapt on it from there so you can work out what's working and what's not. And as a side note here, I'm just going to make this point. Not nearly enough creatives do enough outreach. You should be doing probably between 30 and 50 outreach messages a day if you want to grow fast and it is your full-time job. Obviously, you can scale that back a little bit, but ultimately, sending 10 a week isn't going to cut it. So your first project might be free or cheap, but if you play it right, it will unlock everything. And this is the transition going from free to paid. So first of all, I suggest over-deliver. Get a testimonial and ask for referrals because suddenly one client can turn into 3 turns into 10. That's how the momentum starts. But make sure we generate that leverage when you're doing a free job. A video testimonial of them saying about their experience working with you is extremely valuable for convincing other potential customers. And from here, you can start moving into recurring retainers, which are like monthly content packages, ongoing campaigns, which is where predictable income comes from. So we look to do a project that's either free or cheap if we need to build out our portfolio. We're then going to do some paid work and then move them onto a longer term retainer. So step 6 is the next logical step. So let's zoom right out here on this roadmap that we're currently looking at. So a niche, an irresistible offer, a starter portfolio, an outreach strategy, and then leading into your first paid clients. That's the foundation of your agency right there. And the amazing thing about this is that this simple structure is what's benefited hundreds of people inside our academy who have all growing their businesses. We've had success stories from people who started with 0 on day 1 and in just 90 days have scaled their business to 10K per month. We've had creative entrepreneurs go from landing their first client to securing 20K jobs. But it's a bit like going to the gym. Sure, you can go to the gym and work out and you'll probably see some improvements, right? But if you've got a personal trainer, someone that can guide you through what you should be doing and what you should avoid, where you're wasting time and where you can be more efficient, then you're obviously going to reach that end goal much quicker. And that's exactly what the Perspective Academy does for agency owners who want to scale their business. The program has got over 600 members worldwide inside, and even though it was set up with videographers and video editors in mind, what has grown true over time is that solid business advice stays the same no matter what industry you're in. You could take this template and apply it to a restaurant. It's all about understanding how business works. Plus, you can get your personal challenges that you face right now answered by me in our bi-weekly Q&A sessions. So I'll leave a link in the description. Go check it out and see if this is the shortcut you've been looking for.